So, one of the ways to help our kids become more self directed is through passion projects. Now, many of you know I taught middle school and I taught elementary. And even in my first grade classroom, I had kids doing passion projects. And so, a passion project basically allows my kids to share their interests. What are they interested in? Every child has an interest. Even though they tell you they're not interested, they're interested in something. It gets the kid to be the expert on something. Now, many of our advanced level learners already are pretty expert on things, so this gives them the opportunity to that be that kid that can share at that expert level. It really can enrich and expand on things that are happening within the classroom, within general topics, so you can have that expansion. And it really is a time, especially for those quirky, bright kids, to shine, where they have that experience and they get to shine for other kids. So these passion projects really encourage that independence to self-directedness. They can be much more motivating because they're doing something they like and they're sharing something they really like to do. And it really can help in building their self-regulation, everywhere from planning to organizing to persisting through it and then finally presenting it. And it really does help us develop our literacy skills of reading, writing, speaking, and listening, because it does allow us to actually put that into practice.